Have you ever dialed a company number that asks for an extension, but the timing is never right? What if your phone could wait for your signal before sending the extension? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the phone app has a hidden feature called Add Wait that gives you full control when calling number with extension or tricky phone menus. Here's how it works and when you should use it. To do so, open phone app. While you are in the keypad tab, type the main number. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Add Wait. As you can see, your phone will add a semicolon after the number. Next, type the extension. By doing this, when you call this number, the call will connect normally, and when it's time, your phone will show a pop-up of the extension and you can tap send to transmit the extension at the correct moment. Given to its function, Add Wait is perfect when calling offices, institutions, or hotlines where timings matters. Instead of guessing when the system is ready, you stay in control. Send the extension only when you decide. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.